in New York, Brooklyn, Nassau, and Queens.
Uh-oh, flash flood warning issued.
Here is the forecast for the KWO 35 listening area. Heat advisory in effect until 8 p.m. this evening.
It's on my phone.
Watch 415 in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. Heat advisory in effect from noon to 6 p.m. Tuesday.
Waiting for it to be relayed on Quote 35.
National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Eastern Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Nassau County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, New York County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, until 8 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a large area of showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain approaching the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin within the next hour across portions of the area. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches an hour are possible with localized higher amounts. Some locations that will experience flooding include New York, Oyster Bay, Newark, Jersey City, Yonkers, Paterson, Elizabeth, New Rochelle, Passaic, Bayonne, Wayne, Hoboken, Plainfield, Bloomfield, Hackensack, Freeport, Linden, Valley Stream, Long Beach, and Glen Cove. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Passaic, and Union, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Queens, Staten Island, and Westchester.
Alright, that gives field warning for Sussex County, New Jersey. Stand by.